Ever try to draw a face from this angle and it comes out looking super weird? Today I'll show you how to nail it with the Loomis method. Let's draw. Step 1. The head base. Yeah, the part that ruins everything if you mess it up. Let's fix that. All right, here's our girl, the star of today's lesson. But, sorry, hero, we gotta shave your head. Don't worry, it's just for science and Loomis. Step 1 in Loomis, the circle. Yeah, everyone draws it. But wait, where on earth does this circle actually go? But hey, before I tell you exactly where that circle goes, quick reminder, I've got a full Loomis course out now. It takes you from zero all the way to mastering head drawing from any angle. Not just copying lines, but actually understanding and creating from imagination. And right now, it's available at a special discount. Check the link in the description and the pinned comment if you want to dive deeper. Don't miss it. This is your chance to really master Loomis. All right, hair's gone. Now the circle. It runs from the very top of the skull down to the top of the jaw. Don't start it at the hairline. That's the classic mistake. Make sure it wraps around the real head side to side straight to the jaw. Next, the brow line, straight through the eyebrows. It usually matches the top of the ears, but here the hair covers them, so we'll stick to the brows. Done with the brow line. Now the side cut of the ball. It starts right at the end of the brow with the same width. Its length, about 2/3 of the circle. Keep it fresh. Don't overthink it. Next, the vertical line splitting the face. Start between the brows, through the mouth, down to the chin. And don't make it straight. Let it curve with the ball. Don't fight the curve. It always wins. Now that the vertical line is done, let's mark the 3 main horizontals. First up top, the hairline. Then we already have the brow line. Next comes the nose line. Notice how the spaces between them are equal. Neat, right? And if we add one more equal space down below, boom, that gives us the chin line. Close the face, drop the jaw down to the chin on the right, same on the left, starting from the circle, 2 short lines for the neck, and boom, the head structure is done. Congrats, you've officially built a head. No need for the rest, just kidding. See these 2 blue lines? Focus on the front one. It starts at the top of the ear, runs down past the cheekbone, and ends at the chin. Its job is to set the width of the mouth. Easy, but super important. Skip it, in quotes, and your mouth turns into a frog mouth. All right, next up, the nose. Just like we always do, start with a circle for the nose tip, then a smaller one on the side. Where they overlap at the bottom, that's your nostril. Press a little darker here, then shape the side of the nose with a stronger line. Add the front curve, plus some light shading underneath, and boom, the nose starts to pop. Don't forget the vertical line linking the nose up to the eye. It looks small, but it really locks the whole face together. To connect the nose with the mouth, add a few light guidelines in the space between them. Then sketch an oval for the upper lip and another oval below for the lower lip. Shape the upper lip with clean lines, add a bit of shading, then do the same for the lower lip, following the reference. With just a few strokes, the lips start to take form. That's the magic of the pencil. And now we've got a mouth that actually fits the face. Jaw time. Refine the angle, soften the curve, and lock the silhouette. Add light hatching in the neck to separate the planes and push the head forward. This clean, sketchy hatching is my signature. If you want it step by step, it's inside my full Loomis course. It's on a limited time discount now. Once all lessons are published, the price goes up. Link in the description and the pinned comment. We also have a private WhatsApp group for updates. Now for the eyebrows. They sit right on the brow line, so watch their shape carefully. On this angle, the right eyebrow is fully visible, while the left one only shows partly, since the head is turned. Simple, but super important for getting the face to read correctly. All right, down to the shoulders and the start of the clothes. We won't stress too much here. The real challenge is always the face. Just mark the outer lines, add a few folds for the fabric, and you're good. Don't worry, we're not doing a fashion design course here. All right, hair time. The crown of the head. My approach is different. Hair isn't a bunch of random lines, it's a mass. Start with the outer silhouette, the big overall shape. Then place the main strands, and only after that, add a few inside details. Do this, and the hair looks full and natural, not flat. And hey, we're drawing hair. not spaghetti. If you want the step-by-step breakdown, it's in my full Loomis course. Link in the description and the pinned comment. And finally, the eyes. If the eyes fail, everything before fails too, so we slow down here. Start with a tilted guideline, then the upper lid, the lower lid, and build the lashes. Drop in the iris, shade it carefully, and pop in that white gel highlight, and the look comes alive. And that's it. From zero to a finished portrait of this beautiful girl. I know it felt a bit fast, but that's the YouTube style. If you want the slow, step-by-step breakdown, it's all in my Loomis course. Discounted now, link in the description and pinned comment. Stay creative, happy drawing, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, my friends.